What's up guys, Mickle here, and right now the cryptocurrency charts are putting in a formation that I think everyone needs to be paying attention to. Yesterday we saw the market fall off a cliff despite the fact that almost no negative news came out. But guys, what I'm going to share with you is something happening Monday that I think might tell you exactly why we saw this dip. I want to go over the Bitcoin chart and the XRP chart and show you exactly why I think this dip was nothing more than just noise and setting up for a powerful formation that's going to send us much higher. Guys, I also want to talk about two massive advancements coming to the XRP Ledger right now as we speak. Guys, for the longest time, people fudded the XRP Ledger saying that, oh, there's no advancement going on there, there's no builders. I want to show you that once again, this is nothing more than just FUD, because we are about to see two extremely powerful amendments coming to the XRP Ledger that are going to change it forever. Like always, guys, your support means so much to this channel. Thank you to everyone who likes the videos and to subscribe to the channel. These things really do help me out so much. Also, guys, I go live almost every day, and if you're missing out on those, make sure to hit the bell notification so you get notified when I do go live. Last of all, guys, if you ever need a good place to buy some XRP, make sure to check out my favorite exchange, Uphold, down in the description of this video. With that said, though, let's jump right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. Guys, I want to jump into and just quickly go over some massive advancements coming to the XRP Ledger, because for the longest time, the XRP Ledger was fudded that projects weren't building there, projects were leaving, blah, 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 blah. But like I talk about this channel all the time, it's really just FUD. Most of the people putting this FUD out are just making it up. They don't have any sources for low development. They don't have any sources for the fact that the XRP Ledger isn't advancing, because if you actually take a look at what is happening in real time, you will see that there is currently an explosion of development on the XRP Ledger. And just to prove that, I wanted to show you this, because what you're looking at right now on the screen is a conference for building dApps on the XRP Ledger using the EVM sidechain. Guys, one of the amendments coming to the XRP Ledger in the near future is a sidechain that replicates the EVM, or essentially the Ethereum network. Now, the reason this is such a big deal is most blockchain programmers out there know how to code in Solidity, which is the native smart contract language for Ethereum. And because of that, a lot of these different developers have all these great dApp ideas, have all these great ideas for projects, but don't necessarily know how or don't have the time to rebuild them on the XRP Ledger codebase. Plus, the XRP Ledger doesn't have smart contracts, so they simply can't build it on the main chain. Now, without getting into a discussion on whether or not that's good or bad, what Ripple and the XRP Ledger teams have decided to do was actually build a sidechain connected to the XRP Ledger so we can port over all these great Ethereum projects, bring them into the XRP Ledger ecosystem, and give those projects a fast and efficient blockchain. Guys, one of the biggest issues for projects building on Ethereum is it is expensive and slow, and they would love to be able to go over to fast and efficient chains, but they don't want to have to change the entire project around, right? They don't have to want to write entirely new smart contracts or redefine anything. So the EVM sidechain is going to allow these developers to come over to the XRP Ledger, use its speed and efficiency without having to uproot their entire roots of their project. Now, guys, just take a look at the picture. Take a look at how much this is taking off already, and this thing isn't even live. It is blatantly obvious to me that developers want to come to the XRP Ledger if they are given the tools to build. Right now, we are watching an explosion in the tools these developers are going to get. And guys, I think this is going to cause a boom in projects building on the XRP Ledger. I just wanted to share this with you real quickly because I see a lot of people pushing FUD that no one is building on the XRP Ledger. There's no interest in it. Guys, right now you're looking at a packed room of developers ready to start building new applications on the XRP Ledger. I think we are about to see a Cambrian explosion in new projects and new ways where we can use our XRP. And guys, the other really big announcement that is coming to the XRP Ledger, and guys, we are getting these things so fast now, it's really hard to keep track of, which just shows you that the FUD that this stuff isn't happening couldn't be more fake. Guys, what we're looking at is a native lending protocol coming to the XRP Ledger, which should cause the DeFi ecosystem to explode. As many of you know, we got automated market makers the other day, which is a complex liquidity tool for the XRP Ledger. But one of the things we still lack is a lending protocol, essentially to create yield between different parties. It looks like the XRP Ledger now has an amendment to create a lending protocol inside the XRP Ledger. And guys, what we're watching is the XRP Ledger catching up to the rest of the DeFi ecosystems out there. A lot of the other DeFi ecosystems rushed to the start, right? They imported smart contracts to their chain. They imported all this stuff. And in the process, they ended up weighing down the chain, making it slow, making it inefficient, and ultimately created a lot of bugs that led to a lot of money being lost and stolen. Now, it still did attract a lot of early development, but I think what Ripple and the XRP Ledger team realized is, hey, if we just let a lot of these other projects find all the issues, if we let these other projects kind of experiment in the marketplace, then we can pick the things we like most. And that way, when institutions are ready to jump in, they can jump into a safe, a fast, and an efficient ecosystem where it is institutional ready for enterprise DeFi. Guys, at the end of the day, my vision for cryptocurrencies is not little retail financial systems. It's not farming all these potato coins and doggy coins and NFT projects. Guys, it is the root of a brand new financial system being built by the largest institutions out there. The largest institutions out there are going to want an enterprise-ready chain, one that is fast and efficient, but also safe so that when they want to take advantage of this next generation financial system, they can do it in a compliant manner. Guys, ultimately, it looks to me like this vision is playing out on the XRP Ledger in real time. So many people said the XRP Ledger fell behind. So many people said that no one was going to want to come to this ecosystem because these things were taking a little longer to roll out. But guys, I have a feeling this is going to end up being the winning strategy because as we talked about earlier, there is plenty of demand to build on a fast, efficient blockchain that actually works. The institutions aren't even here yet. When they step in, I think their choice is going to be obvious for what blockchain they're going to pick. Guys, I want to finish this video off and quickly talk about the charts because yesterday we saw a massive sell-off in the market. I saw a lot of people panicking, a lot of people wondering what this means. Guys, I think it means absolutely nothing. So I want to quickly start off and talk about what happened to the charts, what the formations are looking like, and then move into why I think this sell-off happened because there was almost no news. So guys, if we take a look at the charts, what we can see is this is the Bitcoin price chart. It just came perfectly down to this support line. I mean, when you look at the chart like this, it makes this sell-off look like nothing. It makes it look like nothing more than just noise. Guys, that's pretty much what I think this sell-off is. It's nothing more than just noise. Bitcoin came crashing down in an explosive manner, but ultimately just fell back within the range and the pattern it was already creating. I fully expect Bitcoin to just keep on chopping sideways within this pattern until ultimately it has the momentum to break out. A lot of people thought this was going to be the crash down to 20K, the crash down to 13K. But guys, what you're seeing is that when you zoom out, it's nothing more than just noise. Now, if we take a look at the XRP price chart and take a look how that was impacted, it was almost the same exact thing, right? XRP was trying to break out. It was trading in this range. And ultimately, it came back, retested this bottom support, and is just playing out the pattern we have been watching. Guys, so many people were saying, right, that XRP fell out of this support range, it's just crashing, it's going back down to these low 13-cent range. But guys, it is nothing more than just the charts doing what charts do. Guys, I have a feeling XRP is going to continue to consolidate in here, and then ultimately a catalyst is going to come out that makes this thing absolutely rip. XRP is pent up, it's ready to go, but the one thing we are waiting for right now is that one catalyst to make it boom. Guys, every single time in prior bull markets, XRP has not moved before Bitcoin made its move past its all-time high. And as we just saw on the Bitcoin price chart, Bitcoin is still consolidating at its all-time high. Nothing has changed. Nothing is different. We are positioned absolutely perfectly for this bull market. And guys, as we talked about in the beginning of the video, the fundamentals for XRP are increasing exponentially. This gives me the confidence to know that when XRP breaks out of this massive symmetrical triangle formation, it is going to be to the upside because XRP needs to catch up to the rest of the market and is going to do so in a fast and explosive fashion. Guys, it's so important to understand that what we're watching right now is simply how XRP moves. It's simply how XRP reacts. A lot of people get shaken out by this. Guys, I really don't think you should be. Now, guys, I want to finish off and talk about why we saw that crash and why I'm so confident we have already seen the bottom, despite the fact that the price charts are telling us we have already seen the bottom. On Monday, we have Hong Kong ETFs going live for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, we are watching the entire world starting to adopt cryptocurrencies in a real way. We are watching the rest of the world adopt cryptocurrencies from an institutional standpoint. Hong Kong is one of the largest jurisdictions in the world and is a financial capital. Turning on this financial capital to the cryptocurrency market is going to cause it to explode. Guys, we saw the same exact thing with the ETFs. Right before they went live, we saw a massive dip. My speculation is that maybe people just wanted to get the cryptocurrency a little cheaper. Guys, I would not be surprised if that's what we are seeing right now. I would not be surprised at all if Monday comes around and we see us firmly rip right off the support line and move back up to this top resistance. Guys, it seems like to me the institutions are just playing games, trying to get your cryptocurrency cheaper, because it could not be more obvious that what we're watching right now is mainstream adoption of this asset class, mainstream adoption of the cryptocurrencies you and I hold. Guys, a lot of people are completely lost, chasing the wrong things, chasing jokes, chasing memes, chasing things that are unsustainable. What is being built by Ripple, what is being built by the XRP developers, is a fast and efficient blockchain that is going to underpin the next generation financial system. Guys, a lot of people think this is hopium. I would say that if you think cryptocurrencies were introduced to the world simply to create Ponzi scheme yield generating tokens or the next joke of a meme coin, I would think you're a little out of your mind. I think what we're watching right now built out is the infrastructure for the next generation financial system. I think this technology is powerful enough to do it, and I think we're watching it happen in real time. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It really does mean so much. And for now, Mickle out.